Hello Cardano Reality Holders. So my friends, today this is the massive update of the Cardano Reality. Absolutely my friends, you can also know about the great pump, the huge pump of the Cardano Reality. My friends, in the last 24 hours the Cardano taken a huge pump, 7.05%. The price changes is positive, and absolutely that's a big news. You will be feel very happy my friends. I'm feeling very good about it. XRP Ripple coin pricing is also positive, but in this video I'm talking about the Cardano idea, my friends. Cardano changes is positive and 7.05%. The price of Cardano idea increase in the last 24 hours, my friends. And now the currently price, the latest price of the Cardano idea is 1.38 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Cardano idea, my friends. Furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the market cap of the Cardano, so 44.44 billion USD dollar is the market cap of the Cardano idea, my friends. In the 24 hours trading volume, absolutely my friends, a lot of people want to buy Cardano, my friends, and still you can see 3.03 billion is the volume of the Cardano in the last 24 hours. Just in 24 hours, my friend, 3.03 billion USD dollar invest in a Cardano idea, my friends. Absolutely, that's a massive update. That's a good update of the Cardano idea, my friends. Hope you will be feel very happy, and today is a celebration day, my friends. Congratulations to all Cardano holders. Let me show you the price chart. You can see here, my friends, now from this time I'm talking about this change. Absolutely, that's a great jump. That's a quick jump of Cardano idea, and I hope that they will continue this pump. They will continue this jump for a long time, my friends. So it's time to celebrate. Stay happy, and also don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more updates, for more news videos, my friends.